Hey everybody, my name is Isaiah Johnson, and in this video I'm going to be talking about high-ticket affiliate marketing for beginners. I'm also going to be giving you tips and tricks for how to get started with it, and also some of the best programs for beginners. So let's get right into it with why high-ticket affiliate marketing. High-ticket affiliate marketing will help you get to your monthly goals faster. For example, if you were an affiliate for a low-ticket offer priced at $10, you would have to make 300 sales to reach 300K consistently a month. While if you were doing a high ticket offer priced at 1K, you only need around 3 sales to reach that. So it's 3 sales versus 300 sales. That's why high ticket wins. So getting right into it, traffic. The first one I recommend is YouTube. YouTube is one of the best platforms for selling high ticket offers passively. The strategy pretty much consists of keyword research, usually going for long tail keywords, creating a video around that keyword, which can be done using a Google slide or doc, optimizing that video around that keyword, and promoting / ranking that video with something like a SIM panel, SMM panels, or TikTok, or Twitter, or Facebook groups, niche forums, whatever the means to actually get your video out there and starting to reach more people. And then you want to just keep repeating this process. More videos compound, and the more people are going to be seeing your offer. The next traffic source I would recommend is short form videos. Short form videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, Idea Pins, YouTube Shorts are great for great for getting fast targeted traffic. Best to add in a platform like YouTube or Facebook group to build trust, because on a platform like TikTok it's usually very fast and short, so people aren't really building a good connection with you. So if you could get them off of TikTok onto like a YouTube video, a long form video on YouTube, you'll be able to build a relationship better with them. Also, the same thing could be done with a Facebook group. You can also directly talk to people and build a relationship using a Facebook group. And the strategy essentially consists of finding good content to modeling after that content, optimizing the video, tag, description, and just repeating. It's very easy to get started with. Next one I recommend is Twitter, which is a less common one, I believe. Twitter is great for building an audience fast and easy without creating video. Check out my Twitter affiliate marketing video for more details. I pretty much outlined essentially everything you need to really get started with Twitter. I'll have that linked in the description. The strategy in a nutshell, though, is essentially follow people in your niche or niche, tweet under their tweets, and engage with their audience so they start to follow you, and tweet good tweets. Use plug tweets and promo tweets to promote. And I explain what that is in my Twitter video. And just stay consistent. Show up every day and you'll grow. So next one I recommend is SEO. SEO is great for passively selling high ticket offers whilst building an asset, which SEO, Bing, SEO, Google, Bing, is similar to YouTube and is great for those who like to write and don't want to be on video. While it will take some time to build up, though. I think of SEO kind of like a combination of like something like YouTube and Twitter, where you get the right kind of like on Twitter, but it also the content is long lasting like a YouTube video. The strategy is also very similar to YouTube. You essentially find keywords, you write around those keywords, you optimize your site and your articles around your niche and that keyword, and wait. You kind of just constantly put out content. Keep optimizing, and eventually you'll start to rank and getting traffic. And this is probably one of the more valuable ones because the barrier to entry is quite high. So SEO is a great traffic source if you're able to wait it out and stay consistent. Next one I recommend is I went too far. Facebook Organic. Facebook Organic is great for getting leads fast and nurturing an audience to purchase from you. Check out my Facebook Organic video I said videos. I meant it's only one video. I have it linked in the description for more details on the strategy. This is a really powerful strategy. The strategy consists of engaging and friending people in groups, pages, and ads. So you will be using your Facebook profile for this, and you DM people that accept your friend request and start building a relationship with them directly in the DMs through Messenger. You can also, and next you would want to create content to build trust with your audience or friends. Building that know, like, and trust. And you want to follow up with people. If you keep up with people. This is more of a very relationship focused way of going about marketing, where you're not trying to just sell people. You really want to start with the relationship and help people, and if you see fit, if you see that your offer could help them, recommend it. So, and also you can sell through just Messenger, or if you want, you can try to get people off Messenger into a call. I say a call is actually faster for getting sales. So Facebook Organic, a very powerful method. I'll have more details on that in the description. The best high ticket programs that are beginner friendly. Here on the left, I have some courses in the Make Money Online niche that I recommend. The top, Legendary Marketer, is probably the one I recommend the most because it comes with sales support. So a team that actually helps you convert people into sales, into higher ticket sales. Also, Freedom Breakthrough is also great. Affiliate Secrets 3.0. You can find some high ticket offers on Warrior Plus. You just want to make sure you're vetting the products on Warrior Plus. Good. Amazing Selling Machine, which is an Amazon course. Authority Hacker, which is like an SEO course. The ones that I recommend are these three: Legendary Marketer, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, and Affiliate Secrets 3.0. These are all affiliate marketing focused courses, though. So if you're interested in getting into high affiliate marketing, and specifically high ticket affiliate marketing, these are the three courses I recommend, and I will have them all linked in the description. And if you're interested in actually buying these courses, make sure to message me, and I could actually offer you my bonuses with it. And I can also offer a free consultation and help you get started with high ticket affiliate marketing for free. So don't feel shy. Feel free to message me if you feel so inclined. Also, on here on the right, I have some other programs, different other niches you can get started with. Things like hosting, enterprise software. You can even do things like in the health and wealth niche. Health, fitness, and health niche. Luxury. There's tons of other high ticket programs out there. I would recommend you to check around and see what you can find. So that's pretty much it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Again, message me if you're looking to purchase any of those courses I recommended. And see you in the next one.